Hello, welcome back to Proinvest Wealth Managers. We are a Pune-based wealth management company. In my previous video, I showed you how to log in our app. Now you are all set to use it. Let us begin. You have entered your user ID and password here and you have clicked on sign in, and then you will go to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. On right hand side top, you will see a menu icon. Click on it and you will see a list of features. But let us focus only on the main ones. I am demonstrating a sample portfolio. There are two types of accounts. One is an individual account and other is a group account. A group is created by us on our software. You can write to us or email us or call us requesting for your desired group. A group can include all the portfolios you want to view under your login ID. It can include your spouse, children, parents, in-laws, siblings, and anyone else you wish to include. For more information on grouping, you can call us or write to us. Now you can view your and your group's detailed portfolio. All the mutual funds you are invested in. Here on the screen you see two names of husband and wife. Now if you click on wife, you can see all her details. You can see the purchase cost, you can see the market value, you can see the gains that she has, and you can see her CAGR percent and all the mutual funds that our investments are. Now if you click on the left top arrow, you go back. Now again click on menu. And the second important thing which I would like you to see is send mails. You can send three types of emails to your account: your current portfolio, your summary account, and your login details. If you click on any of this, the email is sent to your registered email ID. This is a great way to keep a check on your monthly portfolio. Another important feature that we have included in our app is the tax saving instruments. All the tax saving mutual funds for you and your group will be displayed here. If you don't have any tax saving mutual funds, there will be no data found. For a quick glance, you can use another very important feature, that is your folio details. If you would like to know more about your folio, or if you want to provide this information to any other individual, you can click on this. Now if you want to see your wife's folio details, you can click her name and then select which portfolio you want to see, which folio you want to see. So suppose DSP or Aditya Birla. You can select that and then you can select the scheme in which she is invested in. And you will see all the details. You can see the units, you can see the market value, you can see the bank from which the SIP amount is going, the joint holders, any nominees for this. Now again, if you click on menu, we would like to focus on change password after the first time you have logged in. This is where on the menu list you can do so. You can enter your old password here, which we have provided you. Then you go to your new password, which you want to give. And then again you confirm it and then you submit it. And then it's done. I hope this video was useful to gain knowledge of our app and its features. Please call us or email us by going to the main home page. You can call us by clicking on call now. You can message us, you can WhatsApp us, and also you can email us if you have any more doubts. Thank you so much.